My name is Meaghan Morgan. I'm a business analyst with Nashville Electric Service. We began using FleetWave 2 years ago in our company to track our scheduled maintenance events and really manage all of our 600 assets throughout the company. It's so much easier to keep track of everything in one place instead of having multiple spreadsheets or, somebody's pad of paper, a paper calendar that hangs in the office, that kind of thing. So I very much like having everything to manage our fleet assets in one place. The biggest benefit would probably be making sure that we're in compliance with our scheduled maintenance events. This is an audit exposure for us, so it's very important to be able to stay on top of those things, and this provides us a guaranteed way to do so. Before having something like FleetWave to really track all of our costs and our services, it wasn't at all uncommon for a vehicle to be serviced more than necessary because, it's on the calendar, so it must be due. When in FleetWave, we can see, no, there's just an error in the scheduling. This vehicle was just serviced 2 weeks ago, so we're not spending that extra labor, parts money, everything that we would have spent before we were able to track it in FleetWave. The Chevin team is wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Having come into using FleetWave so late after my department implemented it, they've been wonderful for getting me up to speed, giving me additional training. The support staff has been wonderful. If I've had any questions, they're so quick to get back to us. It's been great. So my bosses recommended coming to the user conference. They were already scheduled to go, and I jumped right on board. I'm always happy to travel, and especially something like this where I can learn so much more about the product we're using. It's been a really great experience. I'm very excited about the roadmap of the future, about the next-gen version that's going to be coming out. I'm very eager to be on the beta testing team I think that's really not only going to help us with training our people, but really having an in-depth look of how it's built and being better able to help other people understand it as well. But I really think the best part about this entire event has been the Genius Bar. That it was so wonderful to be able to, I have the short list of issues that I just have not had time to file support tickets for. 1, 2, 3, 4, we just got them busted out real quick. The Genius Bar was fantastic.